this video, we're going to talk about direct variation. Direct variation is a linear function defined by an equation of the slope-intercept form y equals ms plus b, where b equals 0, m not equal 0. So the equation becomes y equals ms. From this equation, we can calculate m in terms of y and s. So m equals y divided by s. Alright, the value of m is called constant of variation or constant of proportionality. The graph of a direct variation equation y equals ms is a line with the following properties. The first one, the line passes through the origin. Second, the slope of the line is m. If m greater than 0, the line goes up. If m less than 0, the line goes down. Alright, let's take a look at the first example. Identifying a direct variation. Does the equation represent a direct variation? If yes, find the constant of variation. So from this equation, we just divide both sides by 7. We have y equals 2 over 7 times s. Alright, now we just equate y equals ms. Now we just match them up. M equals 2 over 7. And then this is called constant of proportionality or constant of variation. Now look at the example B. Alright, we just subtract 4s both sides, so we have 3y equal negative 4s plus 8. And then we divide both sides by 3. We have negative 4 over 3s plus 8 over 3. Now we look at the equation of the direct variation. Y equals ms only. Now we have b right here equal 8 over 3. This is b. But the direct variation equation say b must be equal 0. Now b equals 8 over 3. So this is not a direct variation equation. Alright, move on to example number 2. Write a direct variation equation. Okay, we know that y equals ms. Now, suppose y varies directly with s, and when y equals 35, s equals 5. Okay, so we substitute over here. 35 equals 5 times m. We solve for m. M equals 35 divided by 5. It turns out to be 7. So m equals 7, we substitute back over here. So we have equation y equals 7s. Alright. What is the value of y when s equals 9? We substitute 9 over here. So we have y equals 7 times 9. It's going to be 63. This is the answer. Alright, let's move on to the next example. Write a direct variation from a table. Okay, so given the table right here, we need to find the ratio of y and s. Alright, so first, y divided by s, we have what? 9 divided by negative 6 equal negative 1.5. Second, negative 1.5 divided by 1 equal negative 1.5. And the last one, negative 12 divided by 8 to be negative 1.5. So we see that they are equal negative 1.5. So which means y vary directly with s. So question number 1 right here, yes. Now we need to find the equation. Because this is a constant of proportionality, so y equal negative 1.5 times s. This is the answer. Okay, look at the table number 3 right here. We need to find the ratio of y and s. So we have y over s. It's gonna be 1 over negative 2. It turns out to be negative 1/2. Now second one, 6 over 3. It turns out to be 2. This guy and this guy different. So the table number 3 right here, y does not vary directly with s. So this is no. At the last example, I call gas 32 miles per gallon. The number of gallons of gasoline used varies directly with the number of miles traveled. Suppose the price of gasoline is $3.85 per gallon. How much will it cost to buy gasoline for a 240-mile trip? So you have 240-mile trip and it costs 32 miles per gallon. So you're gonna set a proportion. You have 32 miles per 1 gallon. Alright. Now the right hand side, this is gallon, you put gallon right here. This is miles, you put miles right here. Alright, so you have how many miles? It's gonna be 240. Alright, so 240 miles, you need to use how many gallon right here? So you put G right here. Alright, so you just cross multiply, right? 32 times G, 32 times G, right? Cross multiply equal 240 times 1, so which is 240. Now divide both sides by 32. So G equal 7.5 gallons. Alright, next one. The price is $3.85 per gallon. So you set a proportion again. $3.85 per 1 gallon equal, you have this gallon, you put gallon here. Alright, this is dollars, you put dollars here. Alright, you have 7.5 right here. And then it's gonna be S right here. Now cross multiply again. Alright, S times 1 is gonna be S. 3.85 times 7.5, it turns out to be 28.875 dollars. Alright, and it's a good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.